which is nothing but eigen functions. Okay. in your previous case in your previous case you can just say that this operator, what we operated here, dou square psi, here a double differentiation, you can see that here. So that is called as an here it is psi is equal to a sin bx here. So here this function, now where is that, yeah, this function I can just say that it is an eigen function here, and here this solution I can call this as an eigen value. Okay, it is called as an eigen values. Okay, so now this is an eigen values and eigen functions. It has some certain calculations or certain characteristics. The first one is an eigen function must be well behaved. It must be well behaved. I told you the definition of well behaved in the previous class. Okay, well behaved function must be single and continuous everywhere, I said that. Okay, psi and an eigen function must be, I can just say that an eigen function must be square and integrable. I can say that it should be an integrable. So it should have square and integrable, so that I can just say that dx is finite. So the square gives you what? Probability density. And if you integrate it and equate it to 1, then you get a constant value, a value there. Okay, that helps you to find the eigen values. So except at some function, means there are some function, except at some function dou psi d psi by the first order differentiation of a wave function should be first order differentiation of a wave function should be continuous everywhere. See, we expect it ideally, it's something like this. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಬಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದವ್ರನ್ನ ಅಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತನಾ? ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಫೂಲಿಶ್, ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ದಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ 5 ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಷ್ಟು ಫೂಲಿಶ್ ಏನಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ d psi, that is d by dx of psi, we expect it ideally continuous everywhere, but practically it's highly, except 1 or 2 functions, it's highly impossible for all the functions to be continuous everywhere. So now when we still take, except some conditions, it should be continuous everywhere andkondru it is well behaved antanu karitini nanu adanu. Okay, so now it is something like we expect all of you to come to class for every day and don't miss the classes every day in a year, but it is practically it is impossible. Only 90-95% of your attendance will be there for a well behaved persons. So our now still we can so those who performs above 90% attendance, we still considered as a good student ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ except certain conditions, d by dx of psi, the first derivative of a psi or wave function, should be continuous everywhere. So as I said that if psi of x tends to 0 as okay, it should remain finite as psi of x tends to 0 or infinity. Psi of now 0 ge it should remain finite. ನಾನು ವೇವ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ವೇವ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, the value of your wave function should be finite. ಹೋಗಿದೆ. Okay, so these are the certain conditions of a well behaved wave function. Is there any doubt here? Another doubt idea? Any doubt here? Eigen functions and eigen values. Another doubt idea? So here ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಎನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಐಗನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ one dimensional particle in a box, then you have to derive it up to here from the beginning. Whatever we have done from the previous particle in a box is there, no? From there to you have to derive up to E is equal to n square h square 8ml square. This question definitely they will ask for 7 marks or 6 mark question. It is a 7 mark or 6 mark question nalli guarantee keltare. So derive an expression for particle expression derive an eigen values for the particle in a box problem. Definitely they will ask. They will definitely ask this question. Okay. Particle in a box problem, they will definitely ask the eigen values. So now, as I said that this one, the particle in a box problem, the wave function, the normalized wave function, I can just write it psi n of x is equal to root 2 by L sin n pi x by L anta ಕರಿತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ. So the wave function for n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3 ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, see I can just write it, this is n is equal to 1 ಅಂದರೆ psi 1 of x is equal to root 2 by L sin n pi ಅಂದರೆ n ಅಂದರೆ pi of x by L. So pi of x by L ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ I can just write it. So here particle in a box, here let us take this x is equal to 0 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, x is equal to L ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Now I can just write it ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. So n is equal to 1 ಇದು. So n is equal to 2. How can I just write n is equal to 2? This is n is equal to 1. So n is equal to 2 ಅಂದರೆ see here psi of 2 x is equal to root 2 by L sin, so n is equal to 2 ಇದೆ 2 pi x by L. So 2 pi x by L ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ sin 2 pi ಅಂದರೆ, so that is now I can just write it sine wave function. So this is a general sine wave function. Now for n is equal to 3, similarly psi of 3x, that is now I can just write it ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು x is equal to 0 to x is equal to L. ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ x is equal to 0 ಆದರೆ root 2 by L 2 pi ಅಂದರೆ x is 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 0 sin 0, it starts from 0. Now it is 2 pi and 3 pi here. Okay, 3 pi ಅಂದರೆ x is equal to 0. Now x is equal to L ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 pi L divided by L. ಸೊ sin 3 pi ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು sin 3 pi ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ pi is 180, 0 to 180, 180ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 360ಗೆ ಅಗೇನ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 360 to 540 ಅಗೇನ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 to 180 ಇದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 to 180, 180 to 360. ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಅದು ಒನ್ ವೇವ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ದು ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಬರ್ದೆ ಅಂತ? ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ, but I don't want anything to be negative here. Now what I'll just do it is, I'll just plot the probability density psi 1 square. That probability density gives you, suppose I can just take, okay, the probability density I can just write it here. So this is x is equal to 0 and x is equal to L here. So the probability density will gives you only positive values. So this 1 can be written as like